नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हो? तो होप यूर ऑल हेल्दी एंड हैप्पी एंड सेफ. तो आज we shall look at a ultimate recipe for jeera rice. So we're going to make jeera rice. We're going to use very high quality ingredients. We all want to eat healthy. Always eat so you are half full. Just like the Japanese hara hachibu, which means eat so you are half full. Sometimes they say it's three-fourths, but I believe it's more half full. So here I have taken 2 cups of rice. You can use any cup, just make sure the measurements are symmetrical. So I used 2 cups of rice. I added 4 cups of water. So ratio hai of rice to water is 1:2. This is brown rice. This is a brown basmati rice. You can use any brown rice or pounded rice. Before the British came to our beautiful country, we used to be rich and smart and happy. Then we weren't so happy, and they took all the money, and we were left with all the baggage. है ना? So time to get rid of that legacy and get to be good, smart winners in life. So always eat brown rice or pounded rice like they used to make in our ancestral homes, because it has a lot of fiber. It will help your diabetes, it will help your metabolic syndromes, including hypertension, heart problems, obesity, and so on. So, time to relook at our ancient ways and learn the best, get the best modern technology, and go on to become very smart, happy, and successful in life. So here is our brown rice boiling. It's been boiling for about 5 to 7 minutes, I would say. So initially I do it on high, as you can see, but then I get it down to medium and then to low. We don't need to overcook anything. We don't need to destroy the ingredients in it. We just need to do it smartly. So I think it's good. We'll come down to about 65% maybe. So as you can see, it's boiling along merrily. You want to have beautiful steel dishes. Never cook in aluminium dishes. If you're using a non-stick, always use non-sticks that have the latest technology, especially the one with ceramic uh, or the new stone chipped ones, whatever they are called. Always use the best cooking surfaces, smartest, latest, and best cooking surfaces. Buy the best equipment and vessels in the world. So in our other one here, I took about a teaspoonful or a little more of butter. As you can see, ऐसा butter US में मिलता है, but essentially the same thing you can get in India or Switzerland or Germany or wherever else, but usually in India, na? So get a very high quality butter, buy from a very reputed manufacturer. Always get the best stuff in life. Never compromise on your food. If you eat well, you will live well. So as you can see, that butter has become ghee. It looks very beautiful, very nice, very alive, है ना? तो इसमें this is a spoon smaller than a teaspoonful. So I'm going to use 2 spoonfuls of that. So पहले I'm going to add some jeera, because that's where the name jeera rice comes from, right? Jeera is very good for our digestive system. It's a beautiful, beautiful one. Use fresh local Indian spices. I'm actually going to add a little sesame too. You don't need to be like too traditional. We can always add things that are good for us. So I've added jeera, I've added some sesame, right? Now I'm going to add some, let's see here, I can open that, some Himalayan pink salt, not too much, about half a spoon. That should do the trick. Don't eat too much salt, don't eat too less salt, don't eat too much salt. Always listen to your doctors, be smart, and live a long healthy life. So I said this has been added here. It's doing its own little putt. We look at the rice. Oh, it's so boiling so beautifully, है So let's come down to half. Like I said, always do the correct temperatures at the correct time. Always cook smartly. Never overcook or kill your food. Your food needs to be live. So you have to always to eat like cut cucumbers, cut tomatoes, cut onions, either with some olive oil or some fresh cold pressed oil. Eat like cut vegetables, cut salads, not just the Western salads. You can make it Indian style, but add some cheese if you like. Add beautiful things. So the thing is, you shouldn't be stuffing yourself with a lot of just one variety of food. Eat smart, eat so you're half full, eat 1 to 2, maybe even 3 fruits a day. Eat vegetables all the time, eat beautiful curries made in India. Don't make it overspiced. As you can see, this looks like really beautiful. Let me show you our little spice mixture here. तो ये है तो bay leaves, cinnamon stick, इलायची और लवंग, है ना. तो आई कैन ऐड ईच वन बाय वन, बट लेट्स मेक इट सिंपल. लेट्स पुट इट ऑल इन देयर. ओके. Don't look at too many cooking shows. Go and experiment. Do your own cooking, है ना. If you can cook and your food in the morning and take with you to the office, take it with you. Fill a brass or a steel bottle with water, fresh water from home, take it with you to your office. You don't need to buy those water bottles all the time. They have their own set of problems and you'll be ingesting a lot of microplastics. So that's a great way to stay away from plastic bottles. If you don't have any other thing, just use those. But if you have an option to take water from home, just take it. You don't need any RO units, but if you have them, hey, fantastic. You have to invest in yourself. Either you'll invest thousands or lakhs in yourself, or you'll pay lakhs and crores to your doctors and hospitals. So actually better invest it in yourself. Enjoy life to the full extent. है ना? So your family, your life and yourself will each thank yourself, right? So be smart, be nice in life, be kind to people, don't be dumb. Just be kind to people, mind your own business, take care of yourself. So yeah, the rice is boiling merrily, very beautifully. The water is level, as you can see, is coming down too. So don't just eat brown rice. One day you can eat brown rice, the next day you can eat barley. Barley may 1:3 ratio of water. 1 cup barley of 3 cups of water. You can eat buckwheat another day. 1 cup of buckwheat to 3 cups of water. Buckwheat is a beautiful, it's actually not a grain, but it's the seed of a flower or a fruit. So it's actually very good and it's very healthy. So we have to use all these things. As you can see, this is getting beautiful put and stuff like that. I'll let it just go a little bit, just so it's nice. Then after the rice is done, I'm going to add some coriander leaves on top to garnish. Not just to garnish, eat a lot of coriander. It's very good for your GI tract. It will help you digest. If you can get parsley, eat parsley. But kothmir or coriander is the best for you. So lose a foreign fascination. It's good to have foreign good things, but good to use our brains and take care of ourselves too. So this, let me just shut it off. Yes, seeds ka, and just add it to this one here. Oh wow, look at that, beautiful, eh? Fresh live food. Always have a good proportion of how should I say, like cooked food to other foods that are fresh, like veggies and fruits. Hai. So you need to eat both. So if you can eat 2 to 3 fruits a day, that's good. If you can eat, let's say, like a salad or cut vegetables with each meal or at least one meal a day, that's very good. Eat yogurt daily. It's a great part of our heritage and your body will love it also. So let me just see if I can make it a little interesting here. Oh wow, that looks beautiful, huh? So we just want to soak up all this nice good stuff, right? You don't want to leave it and just wash it out or something like that. So therefore, this is, wow, it looks so good. So this is our fresh, beautiful jeera rice. We don't need to add anything else. some things are done like this. I've attached a beautiful ultimate recipe for shrimps that I've made today too, and that you can watch too. So go experiment, make beautiful things, eat in moderation. If you have any problem, go to your doctor, go to a family doctor, go to a specialist, go to a super specialist. Get it taken care of. Spend the money, you will spend very less. But if you turf it off for later or neglect your health, you will pay a heavy price, and you will maybe pay lakhs or hundreds of thousands or millions or even maybe billions. So better be happy, eat smart, exercise daily. Whether you go for a walk, whether you play sports, whether you go up and down your steps, whatever you do, always be active. Buy a treadmill if you can, है ना? Otherwise go work in your garden. That's very free. Or if you don't have anything, just work on your neighbor's garden. Just kidding. But go help clean up in the neighborhood or something. So the more active you are, the better your health will be and the longer you'll live. So please have a good life, have good health, and be nice to your neighbors, your family, and yourself. Please be good. Vande Mataram.